Hello everyone, my name is Vennoj and I am pursuing my Masters in Computer Science. Today I'll be presenting on a fascinating and practical topic, information retrieval in hiring and recruitment. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how IR systems have revolutionized the way companies search, evaluate, and hire candidates, from resume filtering to AI-driven talent acquisition. We'll dive into the methods, tools, and challenges that define this evolving field. Introduction to Information Retrieval. Let's begin with a quick overview of information retrieval. IR refers to the process of searching and retrieving relevant information from large collections of data like documents, databases, or even the web. One of the best examples is Google Search, where users type a query and the system retrieves the most relevant pages. In the context of recruitment, the same principle applies, except instead of web pages, the system retrieves resumes or candidate profiles that match job requirements. Why IR matters in recruitment. Every major company today receives hundreds or even thousands of applications from a single job post. Manually going through each resume is not just inefficient but also prone to human error and bias. IR systems automate this process. They help recruiters search, rank, and filter applicants based on specific skills, keywords, or experience levels from their resumes. This saves time, improves consistency, and enhances overall hiring quality without any bias. Additionally, IR systems ensure that no potential candidate is overlooked due to human fatigue or oversight. They can also identify hidden talent by matching resumes with job descriptions more intelligently. By integrating IR with AI, modern recruitment becomes faster, data driven, and more objective, leading to smarter hiring decisions. Furthermore, these systems provide valuable insights and analytics about candidate trends, popular skill sets, and market demands. This allows organizations to refine their hiring strategies, predict future needs, and build stronger, more diverse teams. Traditionally, hiring depended on recruiters reading resumes manually and shortlisting by intuition or basic keyword searches. With IR based hiring, this has changed dramatically. Today, systems analyze the text of resumes, extract meaningful features, and rank candidates according to how well they match to a given job description. The process is faster, more accurate. Coming to the architecture of an IR system. The architecture of an IR system generally includes four major steps: data collection, where resumes or job postings are gathered; indexing, which converts unstructured text into searchable items; query processing, where the recruiter's search or job description is transformed into a query; and finally, ranking and retrieval, where the most relevant candidates are displayed at the top of the result list based on the keywords which they are used for their job description. This pipeline ensures quick and relevant matching between jobs and candidates. Data sources in hiring IR. In hiring, information retrieval systems pull data from multiple sources. Resumes uploaded by candidates, LinkedIn or GitHub profiles, and popular job portals like Indeed, Naukri, or Glassdoor. These platforms provide rich, structured, and unstructured data, including skills, experience, education, achievements, and even social activity related to professional development. Some advanced systems also integrate internal HR databases to re engage past applicants who were previously shortlisted or interviewed. This helps companies tap into an existing pool of qualified candidates instead of starting the search from scratch. Beyond traditional resumes, modern AI tools can analyze digital footprints such as online portfolios, project repositories, certifications, and even technical contributions on open source platforms. By gathering data from these diverse sources, recruiters can form a holistic view of each candidate's potential skills and cultural fit. Additionally, IR systems often connect with third party APIs to verify educational or employment details and evaluate skills through assessments or recommendations. This multiple source approach reduces bias, enhances reliability, and ensures that the most relevant profiles surface to the top. Ultimately, combining external and internal data sources enables a 360-degree understanding of the talent landscape. It empowers recruiters to make faster, smarter, and more data driven hiring decisions, ensuring that the right person is matched with the right role at the right time. Resume parsing is the foundation of information retrieval in recruitment. It involves extracting structured data such as a candidate's name, contact details, education, skills, certifications, and work experience from unstructured resume documents. This step is vital because resumes are submitted in various formats like PDF, Word, or plain text and often contain inconsistent layouts, fonts, or sections. Some candidates use creative templates while others follow simple text-based formats. Without passing these, lack of standardization makes it difficult for systems to interpret and compare resumes accurately. Resume passings bridges that gap. It converts messy human written content into clean, standardized, and machine readable data. This allows IR systems to store, index, and analyze information efficiently for searching, ranking, and filtering applicants. Advanced resume parsers use NLP, like natural language processing, and machine learning algorithm to identify relevant keywords, detect job titles, and understand contextual meanings. For example, distinguishing between Java as a skill and Java as part of a project name. They can even handle multilingual resumes and recognize synonyms, abbreviations, and different data formats. Parsing also helps ensure fairness and speed. Instead of recruiters spending hours scanning resumes, IR systems instantly extract the necessary details and present them in a structured format. This makes the hiring process more accurate, consistent, and scalable. In short, resume parsing is a critical first step that transforms raw applicant data into meaningful, searchable information, enabling the entire IR driven recruitment pipeline to function effectively. Keyword extraction. Once resumes are passed, the next major step in the information retrieval process is keyword extraction. This process focuses on identifying the most important and relevant terms that define a candidate's skill, experience, and suitability for a particular role. Using NLP techniques, the system scans through the structured data obtained from resumes to locate key phrases, technical terms, and industry specific jargon. For example, for a data scientist position, keywords like Python, ML, deep learning, data visualization, SQL, and statistical model are given higher priority. Similarly, for a software engineering role, terms such as Java, API development, version control, etc. The IR system then compares these extracted keywords with those mentioned in the job description. By calculating the degree of overlap, it generates a relevance score that reflects how closely a candidate's profile matches the job requirements. This ranking helps recruiters quickly identifying top candidates without manually reading every resume. It saves a lot of time. Modern keyword extraction systems also use semantic analysis, which goes beyond exact word matching. This means the system can recognize related concepts. For instance, understanding that data analysis and data analytics represent similar skills, or that TensorFlow and PyTorch are both machine learning frameworks. In addition, some systems dynamically update keywords list based on changing industry trends or recruiter feedback. Overall, keyword extraction ensures that IR systems don't just read resumes, they understand them, make candidate matching faster, smarter, and far more matching. Ranking and matching. IR-based systems often use algorithms like TF-IDF or Cousin similarity to rank candidates. These methods measure how closely a resume's text matches the job description. Modern tools go a step further using semantic matching, powered by embedding like word to vec or BERT to understand meaning rather than just words. For example, the system knows that AI and artificial intelligence refer to the same concept. Coming to the role of machine learning is quite more important in this aspect. Machine learning plays a crucial role in shaping modern recruitment information retrieval systems. It goes beyond simple keywords matching by allowing systems to learn from past hiring data and recruiter interactions. For instance, when recruiters shortlist or reject candidates, the system records those decisions over time. It analyzes patterns such as the type of skills, experience levels, or qualifications that consistently lead to successful hires. This feedback helps the model refine its ranking algorithms so it can better predict which future applicants are the best fit for the similar roles. Machine learning also enables predictive analytics in recruitment. It can forecast the likelihood of a candidate accepting an offer, estimate how well they might perform, or identify traits common among top employees. This predictive capability supports data-driven hiring decisions rather than relying solely on intuition. Additionally, ML models can continuously adapt to changing industry trends. As new technologies and job skills merge, the system automatically updates its understanding of what makes a strong candidate. This dynamic learning ensures that recruiters are always aligned with the most current talent requirement. Moreover, machine learning helps reduce bias by focusing on objective data rather than subjective impressions. When trained responsibly, it promotes fairness and diversity in hiring practices. In summary, what I want to conclude, machine learning transforms recruitment IR systems from static filters into intelligent evolving assistants that learn, adapt, and continuously improves the accuracy and efficiency of a candidate matching. The IR tools for hiring are used. Several tools today implement IR techniques for hiring. LinkedIn Recruiter uses advanced filters and semantic search. Hire EZ focuses on AI-powered sourcing from multiple platforms. ZipRecruiter and TextKernel also use IR and NLP to improve candidate job matching. These platforms significantly reduce the manual effort in talent acquisition. Coming to the NLP applications, NLP techniques enhance IR performance in hiring by analyzing the context of resumes. For example, named entity recognition helps identify company names or university names. Sentiment analysis can even go tone in candidate statements. And semantic similarity ensures that related phrases are matched effectively, improving accuracy. As we discussed, benefits of IR in hiring. The benefits of IR based hiring are enormous. It helps recruiters save valuable time, reduced operational costs, and minimizes unconscious bias. More importantly, it increases the accuracy of matching between candidates and roles, leading to better hiring outcomes and employee retention. Coming to the challenges in IR based hiring. Despite its strength, there are still challenges. Bias training data can lead to biased recommendations. Many resumes contain missing information or inconsistent formatting, which reduces accuracy, and over reliance on keywords may cause the system to overlook good candidates who phrase their skills differently among the others, which means unique. And ethical consideration. Ethics in AI and IR systems is a critical area. Recruiters and developers must ensure fairness and transparency so that the algorithms don't discriminate based on gender, race, or age. Privacy is another concern as resumes often contain sensitive personal data of candidates. Responsible data handling and clear disclosure are essential in such systems so there will be no information loss. Coming to a case study, LinkedIn Talent Solutions. Let's look at LinkedIn Talent Solutions, a great example of IR in recruitment. It uses ML and IR models to recommend candidates based on skills, experiences, and mutual connections. Over time, it personalizes results for each recruiter based on past hiring patterns. This makes LinkedIn one of the most powerful hiring platforms globally. And coming to the most emerging tools, new trends are emerging in AI based hiring. Large language models, LLMs like ChatGPT, are being used to analyze candidate profiles and generate job summaries. AI chatbots can now conduct preliminary interviews and answer candidate queries. Predictive hiring models even forecast how successful a candidate might be in a role based on past performance data. IR in future recruiting. The future of hiring is clearly data driven. With deeper integration of IR and AI, recruitment will focus more on skills and competencies rather than traditional degrees. We'll also see highly personalized recommendations where job seekers get matched with roles that truly fit their potential. Coming to the summary, to summarize, information retrieval has completely transformed the recruitment process by combining NLP, ML, and data analytics. AI systems have made hiring smarter, faster, and more efficient. And Thank you so much for listening to my presentation on information retrieval in hiring and recruitment. I hope this session gave you valuable insights.